Got 4 minutes. That's all you need for this full body workout. No equipment, no excuses, just pure strength, endurance, and calorie burn. Let's get it. Let's kick things off with jumping jacks. Keep your arms fully extended. Land softly on your feet and maintain a steady rhythm. Focus on increasing your heart rate, warming up your entire body, and getting your muscles ready for the workout ahead. Stay light on your feet, breathe steadily, and let's get moving. Now, move into your squats. Lower your body until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor, keeping your chest lifted and your core tight. Push through your heels to stand back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Focus on controlled movements and maintain proper form with every rep. Next up, push-ups. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower yourself slowly and with control. Then push back up with power. Engage your core. Avoid letting your hips sag and focus on proper form. If you're just getting started, feel free to perform knee push-ups while building your strength. Now it's time for mountain climbers. Drive your knees towards your chest while keeping your hips low and your core engaged. Maintain a steady pace, breathe consistently, and stay in control of every movement. Keep pushing, you're building strength, endurance, and burning calories with every rep. Next, move into reverse lunges. Step one leg back, lower your body until both knees are bent. Then push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Alternate legs with each rep. Keep your chest up, engage your core, and maintain good balance throughout the movement. Let's finish strong with high knees. Lift your knees as high as you can while pumping your arms naturally. Stay light on your feet. Keep a quick and steady pace and engage your core throughout the movement. Breathe steadily, stay focused, and give it everything you've got. This is your final exercise. Finish strong. Give it everything you've got and leave nothing behind. Every rep brings you one step closer to your goals. Remember, progress isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up and staying consistent. You've got this. Keep pushing until the very end. Congratulations, you've completed day 6. Be proud of yourself for showing up and putting in the work today. Remember, real results come from consistency, not perfection. Keep building healthy habits one day at a time. Get some rest, stay hydrated, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this workout with someone who's ready to transform their fitness journey. See you tomorrow.